Grey pelican. It has some silver color feathers. One of these birds is active. It is jumping and playing while other two are not that much active. The one active is playing for a while and then going to the feed tray where some fish are kept and enjoying those fish. These pelicans are everywhere in US, Louisiana, and in India, Indonesia, Philippines, even in Australia, South America. Different kinds of pelicans in different regions, and this one resembles the birds that are seen in India and Indonesia. Their feed is mainly fish and small birds, reptiles, frogs, and all other small animals, whatever come across. These are social birds. We see a lot of birds at one place. In other zoos, I saw like 20, 30 pelicans, especially in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Maybe the local birds also join the zoo birds and put together they may show up like a big number of birds. Looks nice, but people say it is cruel. It swallows birds as it is, like small birds, maybe pigeons or things like that. Cruel word we use, but in nature the small birds are food to the bigger birds, so there is not that much crime in eating their food. So it looks awkward to us, not to them. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video clip. Please like, share, and subscribe the video and subscribe the channel as well. Thank you very much. Enjoy the video. Thank you.